What's up to all my scrappers, junkers, haulers of all kinds? Gold Champ here. We're getting ready to load up a monster. We got approximately 700 pounds based on my count of yellow brass, about 500 pounds of dirty brass. We got 27 clean ACRs off air conditioners. We got, and just eyeballing this one, I'd say it's about 400 pounds of number one copper wire. Got a box of dirty ACRs, and we got some sealed units. And we're getting ready to load all this up and find out what it's worth. My estimate was over $6,200. We are getting, what was it, $247 for the yellow brass, $171 for dirty. This should be around $2.80 if it's graded the way I expect it to. $1.95 for those. Should be a little over $2 a pound for those. 34 cents a pound for those bad boys. So let's get it loaded up, take it to the dump and find out. loaded up. We're on the road now. And really didn't take that long. Thought it was going to take longer than that. It only took like 20 minutes, I think. But we're going to go find out what it's worth now. This is a pretty decent load. I haven't sold brass really yet this year. I've been just slowly piling it up and piling up the unfinished brass in barrels at the back of the shop. And I just recently went through a couple hunks of that just to fill out the rest of this load. I wanted to sell it, and we're going to see what it's worth. But man, I'm excited to sell some brass. It's been a while. I've never sold this much. Unless my estimation is way off, this should be thousands of dollars in brass. I think almost $3,000 in brass, which, you know, normally I sell $200 or $300 in brass in a trip. But, you know, now that I've got the whacker and I can load in bulk and not kill myself doing it, you know, I figured why not? Pile it up on a pallet, wrap it in plastic, do it all at once, save myself the backache, save myself a lot of time. And that's how we multiply our force. That whacker sure is a force multiplier for me. And I'm looking forward to adding more machines in the future. But we're going to have to be happy with just one for now. We got to look at other trucks, try to attract other customers and other lots. I've only been in this shop for a couple of years and we're already looking elsewhere. We need something bigger and flatter. It's very hilly on my lot, and it's actually a beautiful place to live. We love it there, but man, I'll tell you, it is not easy to run a scrapyard on such a hilly lot. But anyways, if that ever gets really going, you know, shopping for land, I'll definitely let you guys know, fill you in on the process there. But as it stands, we're stuck where we are for now with just one little bitty whacker. But that's okay. We're getting it done with that. We're getting a lot done with that. And we're working on figuring out a good marketing strategy to bring in more customers. I will definitely let you know how that unfolds. And I don't know. If it works out, we can come up with a systematic way to do it, you know, that might be something that we're willing to share with the world. We might, you know, we've talked about, like, you know, there's other, like, junk removal franchises and stuff like that. I don't know if we would want to mess with a franchise or not. I don't know enough about it at this point, and we're a long way away from being systematic enough and profitable enough for anyone to even consider franchising this. But it's definitely a possibility. But I don't know, I might even go a different route and do some kind of a coaching program to where we're there as support. I don't know. A lot of ideas. I always got a lot of irons in the fire. If you hadn't noticed, I like to do stuff. I don't really like to be sitting around. But we're doing stuff, that's for sure. I'm going to go to the dump, get this unloaded, get paid, and let's find out if I was right about $6,200. All right, y'all. We're leaving the dump right now, and we did it again. $6,500. We beat it. We came in over, and I love it. Woo! When we make it over. Love getting more money than expected for the same job without having to do more work. I guess it pays to underestimate, huh? No, I haven't done brass in a while, so actually it didn't surprise me. I was a little bit off, particularly the yellow brass. I was off by over 100 pounds, so that made a pretty big difference. Everything was fairly close except for that and the number one wire. I was off by like 100, 150, maybe more than, maybe it was like 200 plus pounds on that. So we got way more on that than I was expecting too. So yeah, we came in over, and it's a beautiful thing. So we're on our way back to the shop now, and let's see what time it is. I think we're about done for the day. So I guess that's going to be it. Got some good scrapping done this morning. Got a couple loads in and got this big monster load in. Made a big monster check. That's what I'm talking about. You all have a good one. Thanks for riding along. And until next time, be relentless. Thanks for watching. If you want any of the tools you see us using in the shop, then click the link down below to start shopping on Amazon. We're a part of the Amazon affiliate program now, and that would really help the channel to grow. And if you like the videos, please like, subscribe, and share them. And as always, be relentless.